In this video, I want to talk to you about how to start match betting when there's no football on. Hey, welcome back to the channel. For those of you new here, my name's Chris, and on here I love talking about how to make money online and how to be smarter with your money. The reason for making this video on how to start match betting when there's no football on whatsoever is I've had a lot of people on the match betting live stream I do on the channel Monday to Thursday, 7 till 8 p.m. simply asking, is it worth starting match betting now when there's no football on until the 13th of August? So that's when I believe many people will start match betting again. But I've noticed not many people are starting to do match betting, so I've not had many commissions coming through my OddsMonkey affiliate link and stuff like that. It's just I've noticed that people aren't starting right now. So I just wanted to put this guide together to get started without the football on, just to really show people that yes, you can start match betting now. You don't need to wait for the football. And yeah, we're going to get on the laptop and I'm going to show you exactly how that's going to be possible. Getting on the laptop then. We're on the dashboard here of OddsMonkey, and I'll just go over to the OddsMatcher. So obviously without the football, the way you're going to be able to place these qualifying bets in order to unlock the free bets and then place the free bets to unlock the profit is you're going to need to do match betting on horse racing. Now, the only problem with doing horse racing match betting as a newbie is the odds can move very quickly in horse racing. But I'm going to show you now how you can bet on horse racing in match betting when the odds are slow. So how you can set your bets up to be in a very, very low chance of the odds moving one way or another on you, and you just being able to place the bets nice and safe and secure without that risk involved with the fast moving odds there. Now, as you can see on the odds matcher here, we do have some football matches, but they're not football matches that you would want to place any bets on. You don't want to be placing bets on the golf here because it's going to tie up your liability at Smarkets for 4 days. Obviously, golf tournaments run from the Thursday to the Sunday for anyone that didn't know that. And you don't want to be betting on, so there's basketball there, Australia versus Nigeria. Again, you don't want to be placing basketball bets because it's just not what the majority of people in the UK are betting on. You need to stick to what the majority are. So if we go to filter and then select limit sports and just select horse racing and then select 3 hours before the start of the race. So we don't want matches here on this timeline here. We don't want any horse races that are starting like within the next few minutes because the odds are going to be moving like crazy. And even like an hour, sometimes an hour before, they can be moving quickly. But 3 hours is a minimum there. And then at the very most, so it's currently, I'm filming this at 20 to 6 in the afternoon. So we can just put that between 3 to 6 hours and press apply. Now, that's not found any matches there whatsoever. So we need to go back to filter. And simply all I didn't drop down there was the minimum liquidity. So because we're on just a Wednesday, afternoon / evening here, there isn't a lot of liquidity available. There's not many people betting at the moment. But if we just put that to £10 and then press apply again, you'll now see that many matches have come up. So this Wolverhampton 8:45 race, which is 3 hours away from starting. And then, if your welcome offer was, say, William Hill there, so you needed to bet William Hill, welcome offer is bet £10 to get a £30 free bet, you would select the I icon there. And by the way, if you haven't yet signed up to William Hill, I do have, I'll leave my affiliate link for William Hill down in the description. It's massively appreciated if you do sign up through my link, of course. But yeah, we can see here, if you did the William Hill offer, bet £10 and you'd have the calculator in normal mode here because it's your money, and it would cost you 74 pence qualifying loss there to place that bet. And the reason why that is such a good, and we can go ahead and refresh this here and you'll see the odds are still fine, still the same, and they're not moving anywhere. And the reason why the odds are just staying nice and stable there is because we're 3 hours before the start of the race, so that's really, really good, just over 3 hours before the start. And because it's not a ridiculously close odds match, so it is a 92.59% odds match, that means that the chances of the odds moving very quickly are much lower. When it's a worse odds match, the odds are going to be more stable. Now, if that was like 100% or 98% odds match, the chance of the odds moving there between either the bookmaker moving or the exchange moving would be much higher because there would be something off there. Normally when it's a close odds match, there's just something that's not quite right, and those close odds matches don't stay there for very long. And it really is as simple as that. You just need to set your filter up on OddsMonkey over on the OddsMatcher so that you're not getting horse races that are just about to start, or half an hour from starting or whatever, at least 3 hours before they start, and you are much better at looking at these between sort of 10 o'clock in the morning and 1 in the afternoon, so you can see what kind of races you can get on later, sort of middle afternoon there. And yeah, it's just a case of don't go for really close odds matches, go for that around that 92, 93% there that we just saw. And you can place these bets on horse racing absolutely no problem without the risk of those odds moving quickly on you. So if you were thinking about starting match betting, but you were wanting to wait until the football kicks off again, then I would highly recommend that you get started as soon as possible, because for example, at the end of July, so the very last week in July, we actually have the Goodwood Festival starting, which is a 5-day horse racing festival, and there'll be lots of offers to take advantage of there, and plenty of profit to be made. So if you're putting off starting match betting just to wait for the football, it is going to cost you a lot of money in missed out profits there. If you found this video helpful and you've learned absolutely anything whatsoever, please do press the like button. And of course, until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.